Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be having a look at Slap.io. This is a $25 a month sneaker bot that supports footsites, mesh, and Supreme, and it is a GR bot. You can buy this bot right now on their website. All links will be in the description. I think this bot is perfect for any beginners, and in fact just everyone in the sneaker community, because it's so accessible, it's good, there's a lot of development in the future, and it's so easy to use. And I want to take this video to show you around the bot, my opinions on it, and should you get this bot. Before I get into this video as well, if you guys could like the video, it helps out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So first of all, I'm just going to talk about the bot quickly, the pricing plans. So it costs $50 for an initial fee and then $25 a month. I think that is fairly affordable compared to bots that pretty much support the same sites and go for thousands of dollars. So when you look at it like that, it makes a lot of sense, especially if you look at the developers currently working on Slap. They're incredible. The development is going super quick. A new developer has come on board for EU who has worked on lots of private bots before. So the success in the next few weeks and months will really start to pick up, especially with EU sites, with new sites getting added. So I also want to take this moment to say it. There is a link in the description that you can use to beta test Mesh. You can actually get this bot for free right now. If you're early, you can click on that Discord link and you'll get access. I really recommend doing this. I mean, there is no other GR Mesh bot. So this is the first GR Mesh bot. It's the first affordable bot that actually works, in my opinion. If you're watching this video a bit later though, a link in the description, it might be a purchase link, and you might, depending on how things go, you might be able to waiver the initial fee. You'll see, but click on that link below if you are interested in getting this bot at all. But let's get straight into the video. So now I'm going to say this UI is just incredible. It's so easy because they have made it as minimalistic as possible and given you what you need with a little bit of room to go into advanced settings. But essentially they've toned it down to make it as simple as possible, and it's come out really well. So as you can see here, there's two buttons here, so you can create sneaker sites tasks and create Supreme tasks. So we're going to start off with Supreme tasks, and this is how you would create a task. As you can see, they have everything here for you. So essentially you don't need to use your own keywords. So let's say we wanted to run, and you can see they've got literally photos of everything. If you saw up here, they even have photos of the Supreme Air Force Ones. So if these were restocking, you could click on them, and this does the keywords all for you here. You don't actually see it, but if you did want to do your own keywords, you can go up to use keywords, and you can put them in here, and they tell you how to do it there. But if we go back to the Supreme Air Force Ones, you can do the size. As you can see, they have all the sizes here. Color, white or black, and I have all these profiles, and you can do create a task for every profile, which is probably what you want to do for Supreme. And if you are interested in kind of learning how to bot Supreme, I have a video in one of the corners there. You can watch all about that and all the settings you need. I have my delay on Supreme. They've recommended 3,500, so I'm going to put that. Item quantity 1, task quantity 1, because it's creating a task for every profile. You can then switch between request and hybrid. 2 modes on a Supreme module, and bear in mind, this is all $25 a month. This is insane. Even the fact, I mean, even a Supreme bot, if you could get literally one of these Supreme Air Force Ones and sell it, you could make your money back, even in a bricky colorway. So, I mean, that, even in a bricky, even in a black, in a brick size, I mean, it's incredible, really. You can switch between local and DC, proxies, all that stuff, and then for a color, I'm going to put in any. And then I'm going to create that task, and you'll see created one for every single size. You can right click, edit these. We can even create some more, and this time we want to use a hybrid task, and you'll see it'll have a Chrome icon next to it, because when we run it, it's a hybrid mode, therefore it's acting as a user. You also have the upcoming releases here. You have this massive calendar, which is essentially everything we just saw, but you might be noticing so far this is only Supreme. However, this also works for Mesh. So if I click on sneaker sites, you can actually see a preloaded item that should be dropping within the next few days on JD Sports. We can click on that, and you can see we have the different PayPal modes. So PayPal Express, PayPal Reserve, whatever. Let's stick with PayPal Express. You can go to all the different JD Sports regions. We're going to stick on UK for now. Size, we're going any, because that will increase your chances of copying. Task quantity, we can go for 6, 5, whatever. Proxies, DC, and then create the task. And as you can see, it is very beta at the moment because they haven't got the icon of it here. It's still a US flag for some reason. But like I said, beta testers, more updates, this will get fixed. So yeah, you can also do this. You can see all the foot sites here, but I'm in the UK, so I'll be looking really at JD. Now this will just use your profiles from your profiles tab. You can put in the item SKU, the product. So actually, let me grab a PID right now. That is a PID for an Air Force One. So if we run that quickly, any size, PayPal Express, create tasks, there we go, adding to cart, And as you'll see, boom. Just like that, it's added it to cart. And then to pay, it'll get sent to your webhook and it'll look like this. But then to pay, I'm just going to click here. It'll open up a PayPal window. And we can fill in all information, change our address if we wanted to, and do it that simply. But we're going to stop that task and close that window. So now quickly moving on from here, we can go to the billing. Now, as you can see here, you can import and export all of your profiles. I've got all of my profiles in here. Super sleek design for everything. AYCD does support Slap, so you can use that. Here you have your proxies where you can import them, look at them. Very, very simple page. You just want to put your proxies in. Moving on from that, we have settings where we have 3 options: auto start, use AYCD auto solve, and then restock mode. You want to be using restock mode for footsites when running for restocks. And you also have your webhook here. Obviously, use AYCD auto solve if you want to use AYCD auto solve. I'll have a thing up there if you want to learn how to farm your Gmail accounts. Now, we also have different themes, which you never really see. So it is quite cool. If you click on dark theme, next time you open it, it will actually be this kind of dark theme. You also have Hollywood, box logo theme, and light theme. I'm going to stick with light theme for now. I quite like it. It's got this kind of cool upwards effect, and you don't see many bots with kind of a light theme. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice. And then lastly, you can go over to this capture. And here you can put in all of your AYCD information. You can do a test capture. You can also add Google accounts, as you can see here. But yeah, super, super simple. Save and close. This is where all your captures will come. For Supreme, anything like that, if Foot Patrol, if you're running Mesh. But like I said, we are looking for Mesh testers. So if you can bot Mesh, if you want to start botting, if you've never botted Mesh before but want to give it a go, think you can do it, please download this bot. We are looking also for Mesh experts. So yeah, if you would also like me to make a video on how to bot Mesh using Slap, let me know. I'm happy to do that. But yeah, Slap.io, a $25 per month bot that supports footsites, Mesh, and Supreme. It actually works. It has really good success on Supreme, which is what it's probably known for. Mesh will be a huge step towards this EU update that will be coming. More EU sites potentially coming soon. And if this can dominate Mesh, this will be, yeah, I mean, already it's the first GR Mesh bot, which is insane because no other company at all is really doing this. I mean, this costs less than a cook group, let's face it. It's a brilliant deal for $25 a month. I keep on repeating myself, but be sure to check out Slap, follow them on Twitter, and I will see you guys in another video.